Hello and welcome to this week's Fletchy Friday. Last week we discussed why PROFINET, what was so cool about PROFINET. So you've made the decision, you now want to go with PROFINET on your next design. So without further ado, let's introduce the infamous Mr. James Cottle. James, how are you?
I'm well. Good to see you.
And you, sir, and you. So, OEM, starting a design. What tools are available for PROFINET?
Yeah, I mean, we talk many times about tools for simulation about machines. We've talked about digital twins of machines, performance of machines, and all this in the virtual world. And I guess the question will be why don't we do this for our networks as well? Like we said, PROFINET is one cable now, which means a lot of data could be going down that cable, particularly in the world of IoT where we want to capture so much data as well. So Siemens has a fantastic tool for making a digital twin of your networks, using a tool called SINETPLAN. This allows you to completely plan your network architecture, seeing what all the loadings are going to be on the network, so you can then optimize it in the virtual world before you've started to build the real machine and then find you're losing packets because there's too much data going down another cable. But more than this, you could obviously optimize your network, because in the virtual world you can now be saying, well, what if we lost this cable? What if we lost that cable? What if this happened? What if that happened? All those risk scenarios can be tested ahead of time to make sure you have a fully robust network architecture for the machine. And I think what's really cool about this tool as well is it can fully document it. You can even provide it to an end user ahead of time and say, look, here is the testing we've done around the network, and this is why it meets your requirements.
Very, very interesting point. I can see it saving a lot of time, but more importantly, that whole profit erosion is going to be minimized. So that's all for this week. I think it's fair to say, James, do you want to say goodbye to the Fletchy Friday crew?
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye. Have a good weekend. Bye.